You're about to discover 6 free AI tools that can replace hundreds of dollars in paid subscriptions. Google is hiding these AI tools in plain sight, and they're completely changing how work gets done in 2026. I test dozens of AI tools each month as the CEO of VectorPoint AI, and honestly, free AI tools like Google's NotebookLM and AI Studio beat most of the expensive tools that we test. True story. And what most people don't realize is that these tools integrate natively into Google's ecosystem, meaning you're not jumping between AI platforms or wrestling with API integrations. Everything just works together. Let me show you exactly how. By the way, if we haven't met yet, I'm Tam. I run an AI transformation company for small to medium-sized businesses, and I'm on a mission to help entrepreneurs succeed with AI regardless of technical skill level. Here are the AI tools from Google that you need to succeed in 2026. You'll want to stick around until the end because I'm sharing how you combined these tools into a productivity workflow that helps you learn anything faster than the 1%. Let's start with something you can use right now. Open a new tab in your browser and go to notebooklm.google.com. Upload any PDF, a research paper, a Word document, literally anything. And within 60 seconds, you'll have a podcast where 2 AI hosts discuss that document.
Today, we're diving into something that's, absolutely critical.
But unless you've been living under a rock for the past year, you've probably already heard about Google's AI audio overviews. But luckily, there's a ton that you can do inside of NotebookLM that you probably haven't heard of. If you need to research a topic, competitor, or industry trend, NotebookLM lets you upload up to 50 sources on the free plan. Drop in competitor websites, YouTube transcriptions, and annual reports. And within minutes, you have a comprehensive brief that would have taken you hours to compile manually. But the real AI power users know how to combine NotebookLM with Gemini for maximum impact. Let me show you. One of the main problems with AI chatbots today, like Google's Gemini or OpenAI's ChatGPT, is that they confidently make things up. But this NotebookLM Gemini workflow cuts down AI hallucinations by nearly 70%. First, create a notebook in NotebookLM on any topic or research that you want to learn. I did this for my kids' school. I was so tired of needing to log into the school portal every time I needed a basic question answered. Now, I can just ask Google's AI and get an immediate answer that's grounded in truth. Once your notebook is created, head to Gemini, click the plus sign in the prompt box, and select NotebookLM. As long as you're signed into the same Google profile, you will be able to choose the appropriate notebook from your NotebookLM. Now, when you ask Gemini a question, the AI has all of the context it needs to give you an accurate answer. And since you control the sources included in that notebook, you know that it's not making things up. Pro tip. Want to stop paying for presentation tools like Gamma or PowerPoint? Ask NotebookLM to create a presentation for you. Infographics, data tables, mind maps, NotebookLM does it all for free. This next tool is something Google just made for free that used to cost serious money. It's called Opal, and it replaces expensive automation tools like Zapier and Make. Google's Opal, inside the free Google AI toolset, lets you build workflow-style apps and automations. It's positioned as a direct competitor to paid no-code automation tools. And let me tell you, Opal is worth its weight in gold. You can build multi-step automations that connect your Google Workspace apps, Sheets, Docs, Gmail, Calendar, without writing a single line of code. Seriously, you don't need to be technical at all. Here's what makes Opal powerful. You can trigger actions based on events. For example, when a form submission hits Google Sheets, Opal can automatically send a personalized email, update a database, and create a calendar event all in one workflow. Amazing. Think automated client onboarding, content publishing pipelines, CRM updates, report generation, all of the stuff you'd normally pay $20 to $50 a month for with Zapier or Make. Opal does it for free inside of your Google account. The interface is drag and drop simple. There's no API keys, no developer mode, just point, click, automate. And because it's native to Google, there's no lag time, no third-party security concerns, and no additional logins. Next up, Google's AI Studio. This one was intended for developers, but offers everyone free access to Gemini 3 Pro. And for those keeping score at home, this is the same model that costs $20 a month if you subscribe to Google AI Pro. Same capabilities, same intelligence, free. Go to aistudio.google.com to get started. Here's the catch, and I'm telling you this because I believe in transparency. Google uses your prompts on the free tier to train their models. So don't put your company's secrets or sensitive information in there. But for testing, for learning how AI works, for experimenting with ideas, it's a worthy trade-off. All right, if research tools are about finding information, creation tools are about making things. And this next AI tool instantly creates on-brand content for your business. It's called Pomelli. Now, since it's experimental, you'll occasionally get designs that miss the mark, but it's a massive time saver. Here's what Pomelli does. You give it your brand guidelines, colors, fonts, logos, messaging style, and it generates marketing materials that actually look like they came from your company. And by the way, when I say you give it all of those things, you just put in your company website, social media posts, ad creatives, presentation slides, email headers, all automatically formatted to match your brand identity. No more wrestling with Canva templates or hiring designers for every small asset. Pro tip, use Pomelli for your first draft. Then make minor tweaks in your preferred design tool. Canva is my favorite. You get 80% of the work done instantly, and you only spend time on the final polish. That's a win. Now let's talk about the banana in the room. You can't discuss Google's AI tools without mentioning their AI image generator, Nano Banana. Why? Because Nano Banana has the best text rendering of any free or paid image tool I've tested. And I've tested a lot of them. What this means in practice, you can actually put words in your images and they'll look professional. Other AI image generators, they make text that looks like alphabet soup. This one actually nails it. Presentation graphics, done. Social media posts with quotes, easy. Infographics with actual readable labels are finally possible. Product mockups, yes, all done for you with Nano Banana. I've been using this for my YouTube thumbnails, and they look just as good as the ones I used to generate with an open source model that I had painstakingly fine-tuned for this exact purpose. But wait, there's more. Google Labs is where Google tests experimental AI tools before they go mainstream. And there are hidden gems in there that you need to know about. First, there's Opal. This is an app that you can get on your phone, and it lets you upload a picture of yourself and then try on clothes and shop personalized looks anywhere, anytime. Next is Daily Listen. This is Google's answer to personalized podcast briefings. It takes your interests, your reading list, and topics that you Google, then generates a custom audio briefing every morning. It's like having a personal news producer who knows exactly what you care about. Okay, we've got research tools, app creation tools, AI image tools, marketing and design tools, but here's where Google actually destroys the competition. Gemini AI is now built into foundational Google apps. This is the integration advantage. Gemini works inside the apps you're already using every day, and that changes everything. In Gmail, it helps you write professional emails. I literally type, write a follow-up email about the marketing proposal, and it drafts it in my email. In Google Docs, it can outline your entire report based on bullet points. In Sheets, it analyzes your data and creates formulas that you'd normally have to Google to know how to write. With this Google tech stack, you can stop paying for AI research tools, image generators, automation tools like Zapier, and your ChatGPT subscription becomes free Gemini 3 Pro via AI Studio. Remember at the beginning, I promised to show you the one AI workflow for faster learning? Here it is. Create a NotebookLM on the topic you want to learn. If you're an auditory learner, you can simply create an audio overview and listen to it to quickly learn the content. All of that can be done inside of NotebookLM. But if you're a visual learner, then you'll want to use the steps that I detailed earlier in this video that show you how to pull a NotebookLM project into Gemini. Only this time, you'll also select Dynamic View from the Gemini Tools menu. In less than 2 minutes, Gemini creates an interactive learning dashboard from your notebook. Go try it now, it's wild. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these tools today, just one, install it, use it for a real task. Because the gap between the people who succeed with AI and those who don't isn't about intelligence or technical skill. It's about taking action and FAFOing, or fool around and find out. The tools are free. The knowledge is here. The only question is, will you actually use them? If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future AI tutorials. I post new videos every week showing you exactly how to use AI to work smarter, not harder.